Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you apply for 2 credit cards at once? And the answer is yes. You can apply for 2 credit cards at once, but there are some important considerations to keep in mind before doing so. 1. The impact on your credit score. When you apply for a credit card, the lender will perform a hard inquiry or hard pull on your credit report. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can temporarily lower your credit score, as it may signal to lenders that you are taking on more debt. Credit score consideration. If your credit score is already good or excellent, applying for 2 cards might not negatively affect it much. However, if your score is lower or borderline, multiple applications could raise concerns for lenders. Number 2, lender's perspective. Lenders might view multiple credit card applications within a short time as a sign of financial instability or desperation. This could reduce your chances of approval for both cards, especially if the lenders are stricter. While having more than one credit card may improve your credit utilization ratio, that is the amount of credit you are using relative to your total available credit, too many credit cards or too much credit can raise concerns for lenders about how you manage debts. 3. Timing of application. To avoid the potential negative impact of multiple hard inquiries, it is advisable to space out your credit card applications, allowing a few months in between. This can help mitigate any potential damage to your credit score. Applying for 2 cards on the same day may result in 2 hard inquiries, but they will generally be counted as a single inquiry if they are from the same type of credit products, that is, credit cards. However, it is best to space out applications if possible. Rewards and benefits. If you apply for 2 cards with different benefits, for example, one is for cashback and the other one is for travel rewards, you can maximize the perks and bonuses offered by each card. But be careful not to overextend yourself by taking on too much credit, as it can become harder to manage. 5. Consider your ability to manage. It is important to consider whether you'll be able to manage multiple credit cards responsibly. Keeping track of payment due dates, balances, and interest rates for multiple cards can become challenging if you are not organized. In conclusion, while it is possible to apply for 2 credit cards at once, it is crucial to be mindful of the impact on your credit score, approval chances, and ability to manage your finances. If you are confident in your credit management skills and your credit score is healthy, applying for 2 cards could be a good strategy for optimizing your rewards and available credit. Just make sure to keep an eye on your credit score and account balances to avoid any financial pitfalls. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.